back to another video. In today's video, as y'all can tell by the title, we are about to go pick up the new DJI Action 6, I think it's called. And hold up, there's a police up there, so let me put my camera down real quick. All right, back to what I was saying. As I said, we are about to go pick up the new DJI Action 6. And I know y'all probably wondering why, but our old GoPro, this little bullshit, it died on us, man. It's just completely went out. I left it on the charger on accident overnight, and when I went to turn it back on the next day, it just completely just went out. So I was gonna upgrade anyways to get better quality, but now I have an excuse to get it even quicker. So that's what we about to go do right now. We about to go pick it up. I'm gonna take y'all along with me. But first, we got a nice little stretch up there, so we're gonna get a little pool real quick. It's a nice day out here too, man. I got the windows down. Sheesh. Oh, my brakes. All right, we're gonna put it in automatic so we don't have to switch the gears. All right. Make sure no traffic coming. Let's give the people a show. Woo! I'm not gonna lie, y'all. After not driving this for almost a month, there go the crackles. After not driving this shit for almost a month, I cannot lie. It feels crazy. Like it feels like a brand new car again. Like I don't know, cause I was kind of getting used to the power a little bit. Not really, but I don't know. It feels like I'm driving it for the first time again. But yeah, I'm gonna see y'all when I get to Best Buy. Peace. Don't mind my screen, y'all. Jesus, that shit is dusty, man. But we in traffic. No bueno. And we need gas. Yeah, I dead ass need to clean this, y'all. This is terrible. Need to get a microfiber. But yeah, current situation. Alright guys, we done made it here. I'm not gonna record it here. Just cause I ain't that comfy yet, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. But like I said, y'all, I don't know if y'all heard me, but yeah. This shit is done. Pressing the on button and that comes up. And it's fully charged, and this just stays like this. You know, I had it on the charger. It's done, y'all. But the quality on this was shit anyway, so I'll see y'all when I have it in hand. Sheesh. Yeah, go ahead, get a good look at it, y'all. She looking good. But secure the package. I'm gonna go ahead and get inside and unbox it. We're about to put this thing to use right away. All right, guys, here it is. We got the DJI Osmo Action 6, man. Let's go ahead and unbox this thing. Shit. All right. Ooh, see what we got here, chat. So this is the actual camera. This is the accessories it comes with. And I got the enhanced combo. I don't know if y'all see that. So it came with this little vlogging selfie stick, whatever you want to call it. I might vlog with this camera too. My friend has one of these, and it's real good quality, but let's get the actual camera out. Sheesh. Fuck, I'm about to rip this shit. Nice. Let me take this off. Satisfying. So, it's about the same size as, well, nah. It's a lot bigger, actually. Bigger camera, bigger screen. Yeah, this makes the GoPro look like shit. Here's the camera. I hope it's charged because I'm about to use this right now. Yeah, and I don't really know how to set it up, but we're gonna figure all that out. But here's the accessories. Like I said, I got the enhanced combo, so it comes with a whole bunch of cooler gadgets. I guess that's like wipes and stuff. I don't know. Let's see what this is. Don't know what that is, but this should be the case. I think it came with 2 extra batteries. So this is the case to charge them. Oh, there's the 2 batteries. They could have let it come with a 3rd, so it can have that one. Let's see what else we got. Those little screws. If you know about GoPro, you know about those. Charger. What is this? Oh, that's the little thing for the mounts. It comes with 2 of them. And that's it. So we got all this for the steep price of $500. So I'm gonna try to set everything up, and hopefully when I have it set up, it'll be on my head, because I'm just gonna use this head mount. I'm gonna take this off, obviously, and just mount this one on here. So I'm gonna hit y'all when I have everything set up, and we're gonna see how the quality look. So I'll see y'all in a second.
Question, bro.
What's up?
You want a home theater?
Do I want a home theater? No, I'm cool on
I
that.
got one extra on my job.
I'm cool.
Want a good deal?
I'm cool on it.
You recorded me?
I was about to record a video.
That's lit.
Appreciate it.
Have a good one, bro.
Yeah, you too. That was random. But yeah, we got everything installed. I hope everything is looking good. It's looking good right here. So y'all see the mess right here. But let's go on a little POV drive and test it out. Y'all gotta let me know in the comments if y'all messing with the new setup. Should be 100 times better than that little GoPro I had. Before I knew about DJI, I was about to switch to the GoPro Hero. What is it, the 14 or the 13? Whatever the latest one was. I was gonna get that one. But I heard these are a little bit better, and you can hook up the mics, wires, Bluetooth. So I'm gonna get those soon and put those up under the hood and by the exhaust. So y'all follow my Instagram. I'm probably gonna do shorts with that. So y'all can hear the turbos and the intakes and all that good stuff. But yeah, man. So let's see how it look. Nobody ever goes straight from right there, so that surprised me. Let's roll the windows down. I got the wind noise reduction on high, so should be sturdy. We can open her up a little bit. For y'all laugh. Thing is screaming. Shit. This shit feels faster for some reason.
うん。
hear the intakes? Sucks that this car is in front of me. Should have turned right there. Today. Yeah, we're gonna turn around right here. I do want to hit those little windies. Just a little bit. Let that car get some fucking space between us. Those Burbos are crazy. How long are we going? 16 minutes. Nobody coming? Y'all can feel how this feels. And I hope y'all can hear the freaking intakes. Seem like they louder in fifth gear. They sneezing, boy. But we got too many cars in front of us, so wait, we'll do one more pull. One last pull, we gonna end the video. Alright y'all, if y'all enjoyed the video, please hit that like button, that subscribe button, and comment. I really appreciate it, man. I hope the quality comes out pretty good with the DJI camera. I was really excited to use it and get it, so hopefully it all looks good. But that'll be all for today, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.